It's up, it's up. Fuck a game, nigga. One man on.
What's up with you, YouTube? It's your boy here, the Tahoe guy. Today I got a video for y'all. This is the subscriber requested video on how I wired my wire harness to my second alternator. So I'm finna get to showing y'all what I did. So stay with me. Alright, so here we go. This my factory alternator plug right here. This the factory alternator plug. I disconnected everything and just for this video. This is the extra wire harness I went and got from O'Reilly's. I want to say it was about $36. But what you want to do is, if your alternator, your high output alternator is made like my terminals with just focus in right quick with the probes on the inside and your sense wire. I don't know if y'all can read it, but my sense wire is going to be connected all the way over here on the inside, on this side. So what I have to do is take this wire harness. What I'm going to do is move this second wire over, which is in the F spot, and put it in this last hole right here on the wire harness. So I'm about to do that right now. What you can do is you can get you a small little pick, flathead, whatever, one of them extra small flatheads, whatever. And what you want to do is you want to remove this orange gasket that's in there. Pull it out, push it out, however you want to do it. It's going to come out. It's going to be small. What you do is, once you do that, you're going to take it and you're going to pull this wire out that's in this second hole. You're going to take it and you're going to move it to the first hole. You're going to push it in. Alright. Once you take that wire and stick it in the hole, what you're going to do is you're going to take this little orange piece right here and you're going to put it back in the hole you took the wire out of. Get yourself and push it down. Make sure it's in there. And once you do that, you're going to come over to your alternator. You're going to plug it in. Now it's plugged in. What you're going to do is your sense wire is going to connect to the positive post on the alternator. Your L wire is going to connect to, I want to say this is a brown wire. Discolored, I guess, from over time, but I want to say it's a brown wire. Now what you're going to do is, to confirm this is a 7 to 15 volt wire, you're going to turn your ignition switch on and test the wire. So I'm about to go do that right quick. Turn my ignition switch on. What you want to do is touch it, the ground probe somewhere on the alternator, and you're gonna touch one of the wires. See, it's not reading 10 volts, nowhere near it. That was this wire right here. Now I'm finna test this wire. See, this one is reading 10, between 10 and 11 volts. And that's the wire you want to use. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go back, cut your ignition switch off. You're gonna take your L wire and you're gonna tie it in to this wire. On the alternator, the factory plug. You do that. Get you some electrical tape, tape it up. You should be all set. And don't forget to get you a ring terminal connector. This is a 8-gauge ring terminal connector. I stuck some wire into it and doubled up on the alternator wire, the plug wire, and crimped it. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna connect it to this positive post. This is the sense wire, the S on the plug. Once you do that, what you want to do is you want to turn the ignition on and confirm you are getting voltage to that wire on the second wire harness. So I am getting voltage to my wire, as y'all can see. So what I'm finna do now is plug it into the alternator, and we're gonna start the vehicle. Alright, so now I got the wire harness plugged in. Now I'm finna go into the inside of the truck, crank it up. I'm finna see what we're doing. This is my voltage for my batteries that's connected to my second alternator. So I'm finna crank it up. See how we gonna do. And you see instantly we jump to 14.8 volts. That is for my second alternator. And for my factory alternator, we're about 14.4 or 5. So that's all to it, folks. I appreciate y'all for staying tuned to the end of this video. You heard me? You want to know more and see more, let me know what y'all want. I'm always here for y'all. Y'all are my support system. You know what I'm saying? Y'all are the reason why I do this. You know? So with that being said, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Subscribe to your boy, the Tahoe guy. Peace.
Beep, 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 beep. AR-15. Come on that corner and show you something.